Are you a restaurant owner or manager juggling accounting, inventory management, and employee scheduling manually? Running a restaurant can be chaotic without the right tool. Now, welcome to Restaurant 365, the ultimate all in one platform designed to simplify your back office operation. So, in this step by step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Restaurant 365 to manage accounting, track inventory, schedule employees, and analyze performance, all from one dashboard. Right. Now, before going further, I want to talk about the pricing. This is because it's going to play a major role here. Now, let's go into the pricing section here. As you can see here, it gives you three plans. The first one is an essential plan. The second is a professional. The third one is just a custom plan just for bigger restaurants, right? Now, you can pause the video or you can just come to this website, which is restaurant365.com, and here you can compare it by yourself. Right. Now there's a expand share restaurant 365 company that is a different one, but it's a very smaller plans which you can see here for those who are just a really small startups or cafe just start to implement training. You can see here, so it charges around $100, right? This is advanced, so it charges around 135. Now you can compare the recommended packages and standalone solutions, and there's a lot of stuff here. Now, once you are okay with it, just go to the top right side corner and you will get a free demo. Now, to get a free demo, you have to fill up all this information. For example, email and this all this name and all this business name and numbers of location. So you can get a demo from here. Now, Restaurant 365 is an all-in-one restaurant management platform, right? That we know that is designed to help businesses streamline their operations, and there's a lot of stuff. Now, there are some of the features which I really like, and let me show you up. For example, there's an accounting tool. You can automate account payables, receivables, and payrolls for seamless financial management. There's an inventory management. You can track inventory. There's an employee scheduling. You can create and manage staff schedules with very ease, right? Then there's a end thing which I really like, that is the reporting and analytics. There's a you can generate insights into sale, labor cost, and whether it's profitable or not, because we all know that restaurant is one of the toughest industry that to stay profitable, right? Now, once you're here, the let me just give you some of the features which I've already explained, right? You can just first of all try to create an account, and once you get a demo, and once you're satisfied with the demo, right, you can buy the subscription, buy the plan, and you will get a login ID from Restaurant 365. Now, once you go here, you can just go to the top right side corner and you can log in. So it's completely up to you whether you have choose, expand share or Restaurant 365, any one of them, whichever plan, it's completely up to you. Now you can just log in into this. Now the dashboard will give you access to key features like, for example, accounting, inventory, scheduling, and report. You can add details about your restaurant's locations, including name, address, and operating hours, right? You can connect Restaurant 365 to your POS system. You can vendors platform and payroll providers for seamless data flow. The setup provide is very straightforward even for beginner, and ensure you're ready to start managing your operations very efficiently. Now, one of the Restaurant 365 standout feature is its robust accounting tool, right? So what I mean by this, so let me show you up. So here you can track account payables and receivables. You can see here, you can just go to the accounting section to manage invoices, payments, and receivable. You can automate a workflow like a bill approval and payment processing. There's a reconcile bank statement, so you can sync your bank account directly, so you don't need to do it by manually, right? You can generate financial reports. You can use pre-build. So these tools ensures accurate financial tracking and save time on manual accounting tasks. Now, managing inventory is very critical for reducing waste and controlling cost. Now, here's what 365 really help. So you can track inventory level. Now, what I mean, so you can use the inventory section to monitor stock levels in real time. You can automate purchasing. You can set reorders point and automate purchase. You can perform regular stock counts and reconcile discrepancies to maintain accuracy. You can generate report to identify areas of waste and optimize usage. So this tools ensures you always have the right amount of inventory on hand while minimizing the waste. Now, efficient scheduling is a key to managing labor cost and ensuring smooth operations. So you can build schedules, you can monitor labor cost, you can communicate with the staff, you can handle time of request. So these tools ensure your staff is scheduled very efficiently while staying within your labor cost. So this is it. So finally, Restaurant 365 provides powerful reporting tool to help you finalize and analyze performance and make informed decisions. For example, sales versus labor cost, inventory turnover rates, food and beverages cost as a percentage of sale. You can use these insights to identify inefficiencies, optimize operations, and improve profitability. You can also export reports in various formats for presentations and audit and etc. Right? And as you can see here, their partner makes us stronger. So if you just go and check out Restaurant 365 partners, you will see a hell lot of popular brands and restaurants are using it. So you can choose to become a partner. So you can see here the entire industry is in your hand. So Restaurant 365 integrates over 500 leading restaurants vendors, technology channels, and service partners to ensure you have everything you need to pursue your passion, profit, and growth. So you can just go and click on become a partner, and here you can submit this information, right? So it's for just only for the, I guess, if you are a big restaurant, if you have a big chain, if you are popular in your city, then obviously you can do this. Now, and there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to using Restaurant 365 to streamline accounting, inventory management, and scheduling. Whether you're tracking finances, managing stocks, or optimizing labor costs. This is it. I hope you found this video really useful. And if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.